My friends, Coach Vigue, the perfect 10-minute bedtime yoga stretch for everybody. Calm your nervous system, focus your mind, sleep better, live better. Do it with me right now. And what other 10-minute workout requests do you have for me? Tell me below. The bedtime yoga stretch has been #1 so far. So make sure you click that like button and let's begin. Let me activate my extra relaxing voice. All right, child's pose. 10 minutes for the best night's sleep of your life. Share this with somebody who has trouble sleeping. Stretch it back to child's pose. One of the perfect elixirs for releasing the whole body. You can bring the knees as far apart as you like. Take some deep breaths right here. Relax the shoulders. A little movement side to side. And with the inhale, come forward slightly. We're going to rock forward and then slowly stretch back at your own discretion. Great way to shake off rust on the spine, loosen up the back. You don't want to go to sleep with a tight, knotted back. Very gentle, elbows are in. Anyone here? Okay. Good, limber up. Limber in the morning, limber at night, limber all the time with Coach V. 2 more times, forward and back. Relax the fingers, relax the toes. Now come up to that hands and knees position. Knees a little bit behind the hips, little circles, circle around. Very provocative, isn't it? But you're probably by yourself. Loosen up the hips. Let your breath flow. This is also great for stress relief, anxiety relief. Take those deep breaths. Other direction. The sun's on my butt. That's good for sleep too. Sun on the butt. All right, 2 more circles. Nice and loose. Hands and knees position. Knees under the hips, hands on the shoulders. The powerful cat-cow combination. Inhale, round up, tuck the chin, press into the palms. Really articulate your spine. And then drop the stomach down into cow, elbows in. Looking forward, you might hear or feel some movement in the back. That's great. You want to get that out of the way before you turn off the lights and go to bed. Inhale, round up. You can rock it forward and back if you like. A little rocking cat. And then once more to cow, side to side. This is technically called the swaying cow. Is it? Check on that for me, will you? Yeah, check on that. All right, wiggle the fingers, wiggle the toes. Bring that right foot forward. Use the hands if you like. The left knee is down. We have a low lunge. Fingers can stay down or place the hands up here. Nice, strong posture. Getting your alignment, your shoulders back and down. Rock that lunge slightly. Releasing the hip flexor. And, all right, they found me. I don't know how, but they found me. One more breath. We're nice and open in the upper body. You can lace the fingers in the mudra too if you like. All right, other side. Low lunge. Good, deep breathing. Try to breathe in for at least 4 or 5 counts, 4 or 5 seconds. Hold for a few seconds and then exhale every drop of breath. jaw is loose, your face is relaxed. Oh my goodness, that is good stuff. Let's bring it on to our backs, my friends. Getting ready for final sleep pose, but I got a couple real good ones for you. Don't miss out on these. Start by taking that right knee into the chest. The left leg is out. It could be up or the foot is down. Just pull that knee in. Rock it side to side. Head up or head down. Your pillow's back here perhaps. You're breathing. Moving this leg side to side. Releasing all of that terrible tension in the back. The abdominals, the sides, the hip flexors. You know right where it is. It just crushes us during the day. Let it go, let it go. All right, take this leg all the way over. Right shoulder working its way down. We have a beautiful twist. You can extend this leg if you like. You'd also bend the bottom leg, grab onto the pretzel. These are options, of course. Hold for 5 deep breaths. Release with the exhale. Just beautiful. Oh, that's beautiful. One more breath. One more breath. Breath is fluid. Let's bring it to the other side. Left knee in, right leg down. We're having a party right here. Oh, yes. Feel it out. Feel it out. Do it every night. Do this routine every night. See how you feel. Let me know in the comments below how you're sleeping. Planes flying overhead. All right. With the exhale, big exhale, drop this leg over. Boom. There we are. 5 breaths. Find your twist. Make it yours, my friend. Work your way into this pretzel. It is phenomenal. It might just be what you're looking for. And one more breath. There's that breathe. All right, knees into the chest. Bring them in. Rocking side to side. Side to side, drawing circles. Wiggle the fingers and the toes. Always keeping it loose. You don't want to go to bed with all that tension in the mind and the body and the spirit. Let it go. It serves no positive purpose. Other directions. Breathe into your back. Put on some Enya or Jim Brickman if you like the music. Okay. All right, supine butterfly. Let's open those hips. Bottoms of the feet together. You can use the hands on the legs if you like, pressing side to side. Relaxing the shoulders down. Deep, deep breathing. Overhead if you like. That was the real sound right there. That's what the shirt does. When you pull it out, it goes whoop. Yep. That's the stuff right there. That's what it does. All right, my friends. It's all yours. Extend the legs out. Move into your favorite sleeping pose. Take some deep breaths. On the way out, click that like button, the subscribe button, and the notification bell as you drift off to the best night's sleep of your life. Thanks for joining me. It's Coach Vigue. Always a pleasure. Sleep well, my friend.
My friends, if you want the extended version of that workout, plus access to hundreds of exclusive workouts not found on my YouTube channel, you need to try the Sean Vigue Fitness app free for 7 days. Cancel anytime. Click the first link in the comment section below, try it for 7 days, and I guarantee you will be hooked.